Today we're going to be talking about two specific stocks. I have tried to upload two videos, but they haven't really been loading. One is about how to make money off dividend investing because I've been seeing a lot of people do it, and I took my own take on it. Another one was upcoming earnings report. So I've actually tried uploading it yesterday. I'll try again, but basically it talks about like important dates and stuff. And Tesla and Microsoft are on there, so don't mind if I talk about Tesla and Microsoft in the other video too. So yeah, these are both big positions in my portfolio. So Tesla stock has made a huge movement after hours because it had really good earnings reports. It's up 20% or $51. So it's going from 254 to $301, 306. So let's just see what their earnings are. So this quarter has deemed to be profitable after like many quarters. So the firm has reported unexpected profit of $143 million for 3 months to September 30. That beats forecasts, but was down more than 50% from a year earlier. Shares in the electric car maker jumped more than 17, or now it's 20% after hours. The firm has yet to turn an annual profit, although it recorded positive returns in the final 2 quarters of 2018. So many people have been saying that 2020 might be the 2020 or 2021 could be the year that Tesla becomes will be profitable the whole year because of the Gigafactory in China, which is I believe the biggest its biggest factory. So the Gigafactory 3 under construction, and is really trying to grow its international business. Elon Musk has also been able to avoid taxes, which is really good for the company because a lot of other companies have been paying tremendous taxes in China, especially. Like Elon Musk didn't avoid all tax; he's still paying some, but he avoided like a lot. And some companies that have fallen into the China trade war is iRobot, which I talk about in the other video, and it dropped more than 20% because even though it beat expectations in revenue, it's supposed to take a hit next year due to the tariffs and because it has to pay so much taxes. Another one has been Microsoft. It has beat earnings, and it shows that the growth it's growing at a fast rate, even though it's still a $1 trillion company. But its cloud business is really taking off. But it only moved about 66 cents or 0.48%. So earnings $1.38 per share versus $1.25 per share expected by analysts, and it beat revenue by about $800 million. So revenue increased 14%. Its cloud business has grown 59%, which is huge, from 64% growth. I think so. There are really 4 big cloud players, which I talked about in a previous video. I'm not too sure, but I know Amazon's number 1. Microsoft is number 2, or it's up there. Then it's Alibaba, and I think Google's also up there. I'm not too sure, but I know it's between Amazon, Microsoft, and Alibaba. These 3 companies have been huge cloud players, and yeah. So we can see its products and service growth. So its cloud company has grown the most. Obviously, 93%, 93%, 97%. I think it slowed down basically because it's become big enough to the point where it doesn't need to grow so much where it becomes a huge part of the company. I think in its beginning quarters it grew so much because it was a very small part of its business, but now it became a huge part. So its Office 30, this has been growing. So basically Xbox content services has not been growing too much because of the fact they haven't really released a console yet. I think during this period they released the Xbox One X, I believe, but in the next year, in the upcoming year, they're releasing another Xbox, and that will also increase their revenue. Gaming, so I think you could take gaming and Xbox as like one, but content and services, I think like Xbox Gold and Xbox, yeah, Xbox Gold, which charges $6 per year per person. So I think that was also taking a hit because of its competition in PS4. Also, Google came out with a new gaming device, uh, Stadia, I believe, which is coming out soon, and there's also PC, obviously. So yeah, so these are the two stocks which have reported earnings after hours, after the market closed on October 23rd, and the next stocks that are reporting the next big earnings reports are Apple and Facebook, which are both reporting earnings on October 30th, and after that we could be looking at Skyworks Solutions, which is reporting earnings I believe on November 5th. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what videos you would like to see, what earnings you guys are counting on, and what stocks you would buy if its earnings are not the best. So leave a like and subscribe, and thank you.